Welcome to the January 2025 Hero Studio Cling Stamp of the Month called Checkered Hearts. Let's take a look at this month's product. Here's a closer look at the Checkered Hearts Cling Stamp. This stamp features a beautiful checkered heart pattern with text that goes inside some of the hearts and around some of the other hearts. You can see I've stamped this several times in intensified black ink, and it creates a beautiful 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 image. Let's create a card using this as our background. I've chosen 3 different colors of pink alcohol marker. I will color in all of the solid hearts in an alternating pattern. Color the hearts so that they match going down at the diagonal. Next, die cut a heart from peony cardstock. Then stamp your sentiment. I'm using the You're the Sweetest stamp from the January Clear Set and Dies of the Month. Stamp your sentiment using Hero Arts Intensified Black ink. Die cut your sentiment using the coordinating die. This will give you a nice crisp outline around your stamp. Trim the white edges from your background panel. Then cut your background panel so that it is 4 hearts wide by 5 hearts tall. This will give you a nice set of squares that has all of the pinks as well as that beautiful text background. Add glue to the back of your background piece and then add it to a piece of peony cardstock that is slightly larger. Trim the piece as needed so that you have a small even border going all the way around. Add glue to the back of your matted piece and adhere it to the center of an A2 sized card base. Add foam tape to the back of your heart and adhere it to the center of your card. Add foam tape to the back of your sentiment and adhere it to the center of your heart. For added sparkle, add clear and white sequins from the Icicle Sequin Mix. Then you're done. Here is our finished card using the Checkered Hearts Cling Stamp. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.